Welcome to the most underrated sci-fi world in existence, your digestive system. Think glowing BioCity, hardworking locals, and, okay, maybe a little chaos. But hey, reinforcements are already on the way. As we float through here, check out the microbiome. Tiny creatures vibing, lounging, doing their thing. Everything looks calm, but trust me, they're waiting for backup. And it's arriving in style. And here they come, the Fiber Soldiers! Dropping in with parachutes like they're auditioning for the world's healthiest action movie. Small? Yes. Adorable? Also yes. But these little heroes keep everything moving. Literally. Watch this formation. Tiny, plant-powered sweepers advancing like they've been training since breakfast. Each one clears the path, tidies the walls, and fixes whatever your snack choice is destroyed. Honestly, they deserve a union. Here come the specialists, Soluble Fiber. They float in like glowing jelly lanterns, all zen and soothing. Their job? Form a gentle gel layer that keeps everything calm and smooth. It's basically the spa package of digestion. And now, the heavy units. Insoluble Fiber. Big, sturdy, plant-built golems. Zero drama, maximum momentum. They push everything forward with quiet confidence. Yes, that forward. Now watch them team up. Sweepers, gel specialists, and the big golems all moving as one. This is the Great Push, nature's cleanest traffic control system. Your gut has never been more organized. Mission complete. Everything's glowing, balanced, and finally breathing again. The troops rest. The gel settles. Even your microbiome creatures are like, okay, respect. This is what fiber teamwork looks like. As we drift out of this world, remember, fiber isn't magic. It's a coordinated crew doing their best work, and now you've met them. Let's step back into reality a little smarter, and maybe a little smoother. Oh look, he's still trying. One heroic fiber soldier. One floating speck. Zero give up. We love him anyway. Before you go, meet the whole squad. Fiber Soldier. Tiny, mighty, and dangerously enthusiastic. Soluble Orb, the gel genius. Insoluble Golem, the gentle powerhouse. And our microbiome mascot, unpredictable, adorable chaos. Quick tip before you leave. Fiber works so much better when you drink water. Seriously. Hydrate your heroes, they'll return the favor.